Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a plan with me for December 2019. So I will be showing you guys the spreads that I used for this month. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So to start off with this month, I am going in and drawing a box in the center for the title page. Then in the center of the page, I'm going in with my calligraphy pen and writing December. If you don't know how to do calligraphy, I will be doing a how to do calligraphy video and I will upload that very soon, so stay tuned. Since I'm going to be doing a Christmas theme for this month, I am going in with my green pen and just drawing some trees to represent a Christmas tree. And I'm just going around the box doing different styles of Christmas trees at the top and bottom of the square. I feel like this year has gone so fast. I can't believe I'm doing my December plan with me already. But I think these trees are really adorable. I think they're like one of my favorite drawings that I've ever done. To fill the bottom area of this square, I'm going in with a gold pen and just drawing some stars. Then in the top section of the square, I'm drawing in some Christmas ornaments. So I'm coloring them in red and all sorts of colors to make it look a little bit more colorful, because usually I stick to one color scheme, but I think Christmas is the perfect time to go all out with colors. The next spread is of course the monthly calendar spread. So I'm just drawing in the calendar from the 1st to the 31st, and I actually messed up my planning, so I had to improvise and I ended up adding another row underneath what I'm drawing right now. You will see this later on in the video. Then at the very top where I write Monday all the way to Sunday, I am coloring it in using a green pen. Then I am just numbering in each of the boxes in the corner, and then the most right corner I'm just splitting the box in half to have the 1st and the 8th on one box. As you can see here, I did not count properly when I was planning this, so I am just drawing in another row underneath the existing row to have another row, and then I'm just splitting the boxes in the left side so I have extra space. I felt like this month was suitable to have a quote at the bottom, so the quote I used for the spread was "Make it a December to remember." I originally had the make it a lot bigger, however I ran out of space, so I just did make it a at the very top in small handwriting, and then I'm just writing December using a green brush pen and then writing remember in red brush pen. In the letters section on the left of the calendar, I am just making a note section. Of course, to finish off the spread, I am drawing the ornaments at the very top of the page. I think this month I am going for a calligraphy fancy type of look, so make sure to check out my calligraphy video, which will come out next week if you don't know how to do calligraphy or you want to improve your calligraphy. The next page is of course my to-do and notes page. This spread I think is one of my favorites of the ones that I've done before. I think it's very creative and it goes with the theme very well. So I'm just drawing 2 Christmas trees to represent my to-do section and my notes section using a green pen. Then on the trunk of each of the trees, I'm just writing to do and notes. Since it looked a little bit empty, I'm going in with my gold pen and then just drawing some stars. Since it's the end of 2019, I decided to do a goals for 2020 page instead of my sleep trackers and my productivity trackers. I think this spread is a great way to be ready for the new year and to really focus on what you want for 2020. So I'm just writing goals for using my calligraphy pen and then writing 2020 using a bold black pen. I just wanted to make the spread really simple and just have a huge space where I can write all my goals, even really small ones. So I am just putting in some ornamentations and trees and just leaving a huge space blank so I can just write whatever I want and just dump everything that I think of on the page. This next spread is my weekly planner, so I'm starting it off by writing DEC at the very top of the page using a highlighter, and then in the center of it I'm writing DEC in a black pen. Then I'm separating the page into 7 sections and then writing Monday all the way to Sunday using my calligraphy pen. So in this section, I'm planning on writing all of my to-dos for that day. Then on the left section of the left page, I am drawing in a table which I will separate into 7 sections where I will be writing down the events I have for that day. Then in the section where I will write Monday all the way to Sunday, I am just coloring it in using my malt liner brush pen. Then on the right side of the right page, I am separating it into 2 sections for my notes section and to-do section. So I'm just drawing a box and then writing notes and to-do inside it. I think that this month's weekly spread is very unique. It is not something that I usually do. Usually it's a lot more simple, and I think I really like this theme and this monthly spread as I don't usually do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed and you found this video helpful and inspirational for your bullet journal. I can't believe that this year has gone so fast. It's already going to be 2020 and I'm super excited nevertheless. Thank you so much for all your support. I've been doing YouTube for over a year now, and honestly it means so much that you guys give me all the support that I'm really thankful for it. As always, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and comment down below what video you would like to see next. Bye guys, see you next time!